सोनाली पाटिल इति मम नामधेयम्। अहम् एच्.एल्. विद्यालये इङ्ग्रेजीमाध्यमे संस्कृत अध्यापिका अस्मि। Students, last video we learned कः, का, किम. Now we learn के पूर्वन्ति. Students, in this lesson we will learn the plural forms of pronoun एतद् और तत्, एते, ते. एते is masculine form which is used like demonstrative pronoun with masculine nouns only. Te is also masculine pronoun which is used with masculine nouns only. Ete means this, te means those. Both are masculine plural pronoun, pullinga bahuvachan sarvanam. When we use these ete or te pronouns? When more than 2 children, 2 animals, 2 birds, 2 horses are there, that time we use ete or te. So students, let us start the sentence. Open your page number 9. Ete chhatraha. These are students. What are you doing, these students? These are reading. Ete pathanti. Ete plural pronoun. More than 2 children are there. For that we use ete plural pronoun. Ke pathanti, who are reading. Ke is also plural pronoun, means who. Ete chhatraha pathanti, these students are reading. Te ashvaha, those are horses, those who far away from us. For that we use te, plural pronoun. Te dhavanti, they are running. That horses are more than 2. For that we use te sarvanam. Ke dhavanti, who are running. Te ashvaha dhavanti, those horses are running. Ashvaha means horses, dhavanti means running. Students, see this picture. In this picture, students are writing. For students, we use Sanskrit noun chhatraha, plural noun, and for writing, we use Sanskrit verb likhanti, chhatraha likhanti. See the next picture. In this picture, men are sitting. For men, we use plural noun purushaha. For sitting, we use plural verb upavishanti. Purushaha upavishanti. See next picture. In this picture, carts are going. Carts. For the carts, we use plural noun shakataha. For going, we use plural verb gachanti. Gamo gaccho, go. Because that carts are going. For that shakataha gachanti. See next picture, students. In these pictures, see that children are watching something, no? So for the children we use balakaha, plural noun, and for watching we use verb pashyanti, plural. Balakaha pashyanti. Now next part, etaha, taha. Etaha means this, taha means those. Both are feminine plural pronoun. Strilinga, bahuvachan, sarvanam. When we use this etaha, taha, when we say something about the women, girls, ants, for feminine plural pronoun, for that we use etaha, taha. Etaha nearby, taha those who far away. Students, see this picture. In this picture, girls are there. More than 2 girls are there. For that we use etaha, plural feminine pronoun. Balikaha, girls. We use feminine plural noun here. Etaha balikaha. We use chhatra also. Etaha chhatraha. Students, girls are talkative, no? See, these girls are also talking. These are talking. For talking we use vadanti, plural verb. Vada means speak or talk. Etaha vadanti, etaha hasanti, like that. Now we use question tag. Kaha vadanti. Kaha is the feminine plural pronoun. Vadanti, talking. Kaha vadanti. This kaha pronoun we use only and only for feminine plural nouns. Like that you ask kaha hasanti, kaha likhanti, kaha dhavanti for only feminine nouns. Who are talking, who are laughing, who are running, like that. So students, give that answer. Kaha vadanti in Sanskrit? Etaha balikaha vadanti. These girls are talking. Now next picture. Taha vidyarthinyah. Taha is the feminine plural pronoun or only use the feminine nouns. Taha means those are. Those who far away from us, for that use taha. Those. Vidyarthinya means students. Those are girl students. Taha nrutyanti. What they are doing? They are dancing. Nrutyanti means dance. They are dancing. Those are dancing. Now we use question tag. Kaha nrutyanti. Kaha is the feminine plural pronoun. We use this pronoun only feminine nouns. Kaha nrutyanti. Nrutyanti means dance. Who are dancing? Then what is the answer, students? Kaha nrutyanti. What is the answer? Taha vidyarthinyah nrutyanti. Those girl students are dancing. Students, in your textbook given more pictures with the sentence. See that first picture and sentence. Chatakaha kujanti. Chatakaha means sparrow. Kujanti means chirp. Sparrows are chirping. See that next picture. Mahilaha namanti. Mahilaha means women. Namanti means salute. Women are saluting. See the next picture. Ants are there. Pipilikaha gachanti. Pipilikaha means ants. Gachanti means go. Ants are going. Next sentence. Taha khelanti. Taha means those. Khelanti means playing. Those are playing. Students, now next part. Etani tani. Etani means this. Tani means those. Both are neuter plural pronoun. Napusakalinga bahuvachan sarvanaam. These pronoun used for only neuter nouns. Students, see your page number 10. In page number 10 given a one picture. In that picture lotuses are there. Etani kamalani. Lotuses means kamalani. These are lotuses. Etani vikasanti. Vikasanti means blooming. These are blooming. Now students, we use question tag. Kani vikasanti. Who are blooming? Kani is the neuter pronoun, plural pronoun. Now students, what is the answer of this Kani vikasanti? Etani kamalani vikasanti. These lotuses are blooming. Next picture, students. Tani patrani. Tani is the neuter plural pronoun. Those who far away from us, for that we use tani neuter plural pronoun. Patrani means leaves. Those are leaves. Tani patanti. Patanti means falling. These are falling. These leaves are falling. See that picture. Now we use question tag. Kani patanti. Kani means what? What are falling? Patanti means falling. Kani is the neuter plural pronoun. So students, what is the answer of that Kani patanti? Kani patanti. Tani patrani patanti. Those Leaves are falling. Students, in your textbook given some pictures and sentence also. See that picture? One picture is there. There is aeroplanes are there. So, what is the word of aeroplane in Sanskrit? Biman. But not only one aeroplane is there. Many aeroplanes are there. For that, Vimanani Gacchanti. Vimanani Gacchanti. Aeroplanes are going or flying. Yanani Tishtanti. Yanani means vehicles. Vehicles are waiting. Next picture. Vahanani Dhavanti. Vahanani means vehicles. Dhavanti means running. Vehicles are running. Next is Kruti. Chitram Drishtva Vakyam Likhata. See that picture and make that sentence. One picture is there. Etani Khalani. Falani Patanti. Kani patanti? Etani falani patanti. Next picture. Tani relayanani. Tani tishtanti. Kani tishtanti? Tani relayanani tishtanti. Next picture. Etani pushpani. Etani vikasanti. Kani vikasanti? Etani pushpani vikasanti. Next picture. Tani vyajanani. Tani भ्रमन्ति. Kani भ्रमन्ति? Tani vyajanani भ्रमन्ति. Students, in last video we have learned kah, ka, kim, and in this video we learn ke kurvanti. Now I take a practice of both lessons. For that, see the first picture. एषः राकेशः. राकेशः लिखति. कः लिखति? एषः राकेशः लिखति. Here we use masculine singular pronoun and those who near, for that we use एषः. एषः पुल्लिंग एकवचन सर्वनाम अस्ति. See the next picture. सः सोहमः. सोहमः पठति. कः पठति? सः सोहमः पठति. Here we use also masculine singular pronoun, but those who far away from us, for that we use सः. सः पुल्लिंग एकवचन सर्वनाम अस्ति. Next picture. एषा सीता. एषा रोदति. का रोदति? एषा सीता रोदति. We use that एषा, those who near. एषा is the feminine singular pronoun. Next picture. सा गीता. सा खादति. का खादति? सा गीता खादति. सा is the feminine singular pronoun. When those who far away from us, for that we use सा. Next picture. एतत् फलं. फलं पतति. किं पतति? एतत् फलं पतति. एतत् is neuter singular pronoun. Those who near, for that we use एतत्. Next picture. तत् पाटलं. तत् विकसति. किं विकसति? तत् पाटलं विकसति. तत् is neuter singular pronoun. Those who far away from us, for that we use tat napusakalinga. Now next picture. Ete balaha. Ete khelanti. Ke khelanti? Ete balaha khelanti. Ete is masculine plural pronoun. Those who near, for that we use ete plural pronoun. Next picture. Te bhallukaha. ते चलन्ति. के चलन्ति? ते भल्लुकाः चलन्ति. ते is the pullinga sarvanam bahuvachan. Those who far away from us, for that we use te sarvanam bahuvachan. एताः छात्राः. एताः लिखन्ति. काः लिखन्ति? एताः छात्राः लिखन्ति. एताः स्त्रीलिंग बहुवचन सर्वनाम. Those who near, for that we use etaha strilinga sarvanam. ताः विद्यार्थिन्यः ताः गच्छन्ति काः गच्छन्ति ताः विद्यार्थिन्यः गच्छन्ति ताः is स्त्रीलिंग बहुवचन सर्वनाम those who far away from us for that we use ताः स्त्रीलिंग बहुवचन सर्वनाम एतानि रेलयानानि एतानि धावन्ति कानि धावन्ति एतानि रेलयानानि धावन्ति एतानि is नपुंसकलिंग बहुवचन सर्वनाम those who near from us for that we use एतानि नपुंसकलिंग सर्वनाम तानि पुष्पाणि तानि विकसन्ति कानि विकसन्ति तानि पुष्पाणि विकसन्ति तानि is नपुंसकलिंग बहुवचन सर्वनाम those who far away from us for that we use तानि नपुंसकलिंग बहुवचन सर्वनाम. Now students, in your textbook page number 10 one song is there Gayat Nandata. See that song and listen.
सर सर आयन्ति वर्षाधाराः सर सर आयन्ति वर्षाधाराः अत्र प्रसन्नाः सर्वे जीवाः अत्र प्रसन्नाः सर्वे जीवाः वृक्षैः प्राप्तं नवजीवनं वृक्षैः प्राप्तं नवजीवनं नृत्यन्ति मोदेन बालाः सततं सर सर आयन्ति वर्षाधाराः धप धप पतन्ति जलप्रपाता धप धप पतन्ति जलप्रपाता ड्रैव ड्रैव कुर्वन्ति कूपमण्डूका ड्रैव ड्रैव कुर्वन्ति कूपमण्डूका टप टप गायन्ति पर्णेषु बिन्दवः टप टप गायन्ति पर्णेषु बिन्दवः मकवाटखादने मग्ना जनाः सर सर आयन्ति वर्षाधाराः कृष्णान मेघान पश्य आकाशे कृष्णान मेघान पश्य आकाश धडाधुडुं गर्जन्ति ते धडाधुडुं गर्जन्ति ते जलेन क्लिन्नं जातमगनं जलेन क्लिन्नं जातमगनं धो धो वर्षन्ति मेघा सततं सर सर आयन्ति वर्षाधाराः नृत्यं कुर्वन्ति मयूरास्ते नृत्यं कुर्वन्ति मयूरास्ते सिंहा गर्जन्ति ननु मेघनादा सिंहा गर्जन्ति ननु मेघनादा सत्वरं वहन्ति सागरं नद्यं सत्वरं वहन्ति सागरं नद्यं प्राणाहि प्राणिनः वर्षाकालाः सर सर आयन्ति वर्षाधाराः सर सर आयन्ति वर्षाधाराः अत्र प्रसन्नाः सर्वे जीवाः अत्र प्रसन्नाः सर्वे जीवाः वृक्षैः प्राप्तं नवजीवनं वृक्षैः प्राप्तं नवजीवनं नृत्यन्ति मोदेन बालाः सततं सर सर आयन्ति वर्षाधाराः सर सर आयन्ति वर्षाधाराः सर सर आयन्ति वर्षाधाराः धन्यवादः.
Students, now homework and classwork. In classwork, write all sentence in classwork. For homework, only for that last page has given for Bhashabhyasa in homework book.